How to download apps from Play Store in Samsung M32. First of all, unlock your phone and look for the Play Store icon, which is usually found on the home screen or in the app drawer. Tap on it to open. Next, once the Play Store opens, you'll see a search button at the bottom corner of the screen. Tap on it and type the name of the app you want to download. For example, WhatsApp, Instagram, or any app you are looking for in the search bar. After typing the name, tap the search icon on your keyboard. Now, you'll see a list of results. Find the correct app from the list. Usually it's the first one if you type the name correctly. Tap on the app's name or icon to open its detail page. Then, tap the install button. The download will begin, and once it's complete, the app will be installed automatically on your phone. You'll see an open button once the installation finishes. You can tap it to start using the app right away. If you want to find the app later, just go back to your home screen or app drawer and it will be there. And that's it. Now you know how to download apps from Play Store in Samsung M32. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.